I always eat meat sa mga restaurants, kaya this time, let's cook a healthier version of sisig. This is Tofu Sisig. For the sauce, mix together sugar, 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1.5 tablespoons of liquid seasoning, and calamansi juice to taste. Mix and set aside for later. This is 1 whole block of tofu. Pwede nyo i-cut into cubes, pero I like shredding it into pieces para mukha siyang ground meat. Sauté in high heat and season with salt and pepper. Continue sautéing until mag-golden brown or crispy. Add some butter, around 2 tablespoons, and add some onions. Sauté until the onions are soft. Add some chopped red bell peppers and sauté for another minute. Turn off the heat and add the sauce that we made. Mix and transfer into a nice serving dish. Now it's ready. For some spice, nilagyan ko ng red chilies on top, pero mas okay kung green chilies. Kayo ba? Mahilig din ba kayo sa tofu sisig?